Hello and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tasneem and I'm from Chennai. I'm a journalist. I freelance as a content writer and a journalist. And मैं ये 2012 में Facebook पर एक community form करेली. It was a private group for Bohra women entrepreneurs. At that time, everything was very new. Instagram was not flourishing so much, and people were buying and selling on Facebook. So I thought it is nice to create a safe space for Bora women who want to buy and sell stuff. So there's so many things which are unique to our community, so many products, and we were always looking for people from outside of our cities કોણ બધા ચીજોમાં ડીલ કરે છે અને તો એ લોકોને એવા પ્લેટફોર્મ પર લાવીએ કે આપણે એકબીજાના સાથે ઇન્ટરેક્ટ કરી શકે એ લોકોના પ્રોડક્ટ્સ જોઈ શકે અને બાય કરી શકે એ લોકોના પાસેથી બધી ચીજો લઈ શકે સો એ ઇન્ટેન્શનથી ફેસબુક પર ક્રિએટ કરેલું ગ્રુપ ભોરા વુમેન ઓન્ટરપ્રનર્સ ક્લોઝડ ગ્રુપ છે ઇટ ઇઝ ઓનલી ફોર વિમેન એન્ડ ઇટ ઇઝ ઓનલી ફોર ધ વિમેન ઓફ આર કમ્યુનિટી અને in the same time now it is having more than 7,000 members and now we have made a presence felt on Instagram as well. So I wanted to take this to a higher level and introduce a few of the women entrepreneurs from our community, the Dawoodi Bohra Muslim community, જે ફાઇન કરી રહ્યા છે અને એ લોકો જે સક્સેસફુલ છે એ લોકોની સ્ટોરી શું છે because everybody I think has a story to tell of their entrepreneurial journey and everybody has a struggle that they must have encountered. So I want to give them a platform on this place to tell their stories, to tell their experiences and encourage other women. So today is my first interview with Tazeen Events of Chennai. Tazeen Events has been in conducting events and exhibitions since 2015. It's a group of 4 women, Alafia, Zainab, Fatima, and Nisrin. And I have invited them today to speak to them and find out what their life is all about, how their journey took shape. Today they are in their 6th event. And first, when they started in 2015, they had only 30 stalls. Today, they have around 60 plus stalls. Their event is on the 6th of February in Roypuram in Chennai. So please welcome them. I'm going to add them now. So welcome Tazeen Events. All of you, I'm so honored and privileged to have you first on my platform of Bohra Women Entrepreneurs and all the best for your event which is happening on the 6th of February in Ramzan Mahal, Chennai, Roypuram. So tell me, first of all, please introduce yourselves one by one and tell me કે તમે લોકો શું કરો છો. Apart from being event organizers, what is your background? Can we start with Nishrin?
Yeah. Hi, I'm Nishrin Delhiwala, and I'm from Bangalore basically, and I've got married in Chennai. I've done BA in media, and I've worked in media organizations in Bangalore. And then when I moved here, I'm into events.
Right. Alifia?
Hi, I'm Alifia Udaipurwala. We have started this Tazeen since 5 years back, and I have done the home science diploma. Okay, and we are the co-founder of Safe, Natural, and Fresh and Style Bites too, and a part of a team Tazeen.
Right. And Fatima?
Hi, I'm Fatima Hakim. I'm basically from Ahmedabad, settled in Chennai. From past 13 years, I'm in Chennai. I have my own firm. I'm a home chef, Garbanzo Ghar Se, and I'm a co-founder of Style Bites and a team of Tazeen Events.
Zainab?
Hi, I'm Zainab Uzefa Hamid. I'm born and brought up in Chennai only. And I'm also a co-founder of Safe and Style Bites too. And one of the member of Tazeen team as well. I've done my BA in English literature.
That's wonderful. It's so nice to know that all of you are coming from very different backgrounds. Two of you are coming from different cities. So તમે લોકો મિલા કેવી રીતથી? How did you all first of all meet each other and form this group? Anyone who wants to speak?
It was me and Fatima were. Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, Alafia. Anyone who wants to speak.
We were neighbor, like me and Fatima Hakim.
Okay.
We met first in a new street, and we thought of we were doing some other business, small business and all. Started with it, and we thought of doing a big thing in a platform which a woman entrepreneur also can join, and they can also get a new platform for it. And she introduced Nishrin, and I introduced my sister-in-law Zainab, and like that we had a team. And since from past 6 years, like we are doing it together.
Right. So હવે આ ઇવેન્ટ ના બારામાં શું કામ તમે સોચ્યું? You could have done some business, but what was the whole idea? Was it કે તમારે બીજા ઇવેન્ટ બીજા બધા entrepreneurs અને બીજા બધા જે આપણા કમ્યુનિટીના સેલર્સ છે એ ઇન્ટેન્શન હતું તમારું કે એ લોકોને તમે કંઈક પ્લેટફોર્મ આપો? What was actually basically the idea, or was it just to make money or whatever? You can tell us, because it will only give an idea to other people કે એ લોકો કેવી રીતથી businesses start કરી શકે છે અને એક financial income કેવી રીતથી generate કરે છે. So just tell us what was the initial thought behind this.
Actually, we wanted that each woman should get a chance to come on a platform to showcase their thing, that in what they are good. So
Right.
even we are into our businesses, so even we wanted that there should be a platform created such good that people can come forward to show their things, what are they doing, how ability what they have in them, and what hunar and everything they have, they can showcase on a one platform. And we wanted that platform should be in a good way.
Correct.
They should get something good from that.
કરેક્ટ. સો આઈ એમ શ્યોર કે તમે લોકો જ્યારે સ્ટાર્ટ કરવું હશે, અને ઘણા બધા લોકો અહીંયા બાજુ બી કરી રહેલા એક્ઝિબિશન્સ એન્ડ ઓલ દેટ, સો તમારે શું ચેલેન્જીસ અને ડિફિકલ્ટીઝ what is that you faced while organizing these events? મેઇનલી શું તમારે ડિફિકલ્ટ લાગતું હતું?
Difficult was like it was
We have we have varieties of stalls. Like one person does this, one person does that. So everyone displays their different product. But for us, the most difficult part was we have to give we have to make sure that in the entire exhibition everyone has different products. Like we couldn't give all five of them having say salwars or all five of them having ridas. So that was really difficult, because when we get stalls, it's usually more of ridas and kurtas.
Correct.
Because most of like Bhora, everyone is into ridas and stuff like that.
Right.
So that was first, and then
Actually, all the exhibitions, they don't actually give that specification. Okay, there should be only limited stalls for ridas or limited stalls for jablas and all. But we have created a platform like this. It's just under one roof, you find everything over there. From pin to piano, whatever you want. The whole attire you can get on Tazeen events if you come for our exhibition.
Right.
So that's how we planned out. That's how we are different from other people who are doing their exhibition.
Right.
This is how we put our, mind, and I mean, totally we are into it. Okay, how to be different from others.
Correct.
And
yes.
We give chance to each and everybody. It's not that she is my cousin. Okay, I should give them. No, who came first? That privilege goes to them. Then we don't see any of our family members or friends or anything.
Right. So that's fair enough, because જ્યારે તમે business કરો છો, તો then you have to do it professionally. Otherwise, you get as women especially, अपने कतला बड़ा pressures होई है कि people take women businesses very lightly. It's not taken seriously like how men work. So it's always taken as a hobby or a time pass. So even if you are working from home, especially I want to ask you all that, because apart from the Tazeen events, each one of you is doing something, right? Because one is a home chef, you all are co-founders of Style Bites and Safe Natural. So, so I want to know you all are managing both things, being event organizers as well as being entrepreneurs, and work from home. Actually, apne je kahiye hai work from home. In reality, it sounds very convenient and easy, but I'm sure that it is not easy. I also work from home, so I know what the challenges are. See, once you have an office, apne office ma jaiye che, to we are cut off from our house ka tensions. But when you are working from home, you have to handle home as well as your business. It's not easy, because if you're doing a professional work, there'll be something in the house that will be calling you. Doorbell wagi gai, bachchu satave. So I'm sure you're all having kids as well. So how difficult it is as a work from home, woman.
is difficult. It is actually difficult, but we have total support of our family. You take it anybody from any of our houses, we have total support from everybody. Like mother-in-law, father-in-law, sister-in-law, husband, children, everybody. Even the children are supporting their mothers. Okay, no, you go. I'll take care of the younger brother. It's like that. So
Right.
the support is very important, and that's how we manage things over here.
Right.
And yes, safe, natural, fresh. Again, we have a store, so we do go to the store also.
Okay.
So that's
Okay.
half from home and half from store. So
Right.
like everybody is divided.
Okay, wonderful. So about the store, tell me, because three of you are already a part of the store. So what are the products that you are having there?
It's all natural products. It's Nature Spice and Al Harazi products.
Okay.
Nature Spice are all natural products. Like we have this Birista and organic. So we have this Birista, then coconut milk. Everything
Okay.
is organic.
Right.
We'll make it red chili powder, ginger powder, lemongrass, everything. Chia seeds. We have lots of varieties in that as well. And Al Harazi is all these body wash, face wash, attar, bukhur, and all that stuff.
Okay.
And everything is all that is coming from Iraq.
Oh, wonderful. Okay. So, you told me that your family has been very supportive, but you think that generally, Bairao Namaste to work, whether it is working as a professional 9 to 5 job, yeah, working as a businesswoman from home, or working as, with doing something of your own, is it more difficult for women than it is for men?
Yes, definitely.
Definitely.
So I want to know what is that exact difficulty that you find, कि सु तुम्हारे difficult लागे.
We have to look after both the things of our family and our business, both the things. So we cannot leave either of our responsibility of it.
Correct.
So we give priority to both of them.
Right.
And we divide our schedules in that way, we work in that way, and we manage anyhow that we focus on both the things in such ways.
That's
and whereas
wonderful.
men, they just have to look after their business.
But this is the
Rather
unique
than the
thing, no? This is the unique thing, because
Definitely,
this is
definitely.
not a challenge of one woman. This is a challenge of the women all over the world. So अगर તમારે કઈ બી personally કઈ તમારું own career બનાવવું હોય છે યા કઈ own business કરવું હોય છે, તો always you have to think કે મેં કેવી રીતથી મારું life balance કરીશ. And in spite of that, there are so many awesome women who are so successful. So I think in every sphere we are just proving and just smashing the stereotypes ke women are made for just this. And regardless of whatever pressures they have and JB duties where it's easy to say that families are supportive, but at the same time we are the primary caregivers at home. We can't deny that.
Yes,
So regardless of that, so the main thing, that the whole idea of me having a Bohra Women Entrepreneur Group was this only, people who are doing small businesses also get a platform to sell or advertise their products, and what you are doing is also similar. So it is a pleasure actually to start off like this with somebody who is on the same thought process. So that's wonderful connecting with you. So tell me, what is the best thing somebody's told you after an event? Maybe a stall, a person who has bought a stall, or somebody who has, attended your event. What is the best thing you've heard? It can be more than one also.
Best thing is, like, after we complete the event, like they are ready to for the coming for the next event also, they're ready to book the stalls.
Yeah,
And they are like ready to pay for it also.
Even yes, payment. They're ready. I'm paying it for the next year as well, but book my stall first.
I want to connect. Always they wanted to be connected to us.
Right.
And even the food stall members, they are ready with the list. Okay, this are our items will be there in our stall, so please book it and don't give it to anybody. These are my items.
Wonderful.
Like,
I think that's
very
the
good
best compliment. No, that it has been a success.
That's it. That's best.
Right. So, Have, in this time of a pandemic, you are having this exhibition. So, tell me, what are the protocols that you're going to follow for safety on Saturday?
See, we have asked all the stall members who are our participants to wear compulsory mask and to keep a sanitizer bottle on their own stalls.
Right.
Even we are keeping the sanitizer with the stand outside of the hall itself. and on the reception and everywhere, means wherever you will go, you will find out the sanitizer, and it's compulsory everybody to wear a mask and to enter.
Right.
And rather than that, we have asked all the food stall members compulsory to wear the gloves and to take complete hygiene thing, as it is the home food, so we don't have to look
Correct.
about it. But we have asked even them to take care with everything.
Very good. That's wonderful, because that has to be utmost important, because people will interact and touch each other's products and everything. So that's
Yes,
great
exactly.
that you are taking these precautions. That's really far-sighted. If I had to ask you to tell a message for other people who are, starting up a small business or coming up, what would you want to tell them? What is a message that you would like to give, budding entrepreneurs like you?
But look into the details. Like, make sure your customer is happy end of the day.
Right, right. And otherwise,
And
I mean,
never to give up.
Yeah, never give up.
It'll take time. It took
Right.
us years to Style Bites to actually, people to know that we have Style Bites as a brand name, and we
Okay.
have bags and all those stuff. So it takes time. So just don't give up in first 6 months or a year. It'll
Right.
take even 2 years. It takes time. So
Right. That's
just
a
don't give
wonderful
up.
message. That's
Believe
a
in your
wonderful
dreams. That's
message
it.
to be consistent and, follow your dreams. And okay, we'll play a small game. I'm going to ask you some rapid fire questions. So since you all know each other since so many years, I'm sure, okay, you must be more of friends than, work partners. So I'm going to play the game called Who is Most Likely. Okay, I'm sure you have seen that game on
Yeah.
Instagram or something. So when I ask a question, you have to point out to the person who is most likely to do that thing you feel. Okay?
Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
So got it? So we'll start. Okay. Who is most likely to be the best at maths, accounting, or calculation? I can't see your fingers, so just point over the heads. Right, Fatima.
I'm pointing myself.
Yeah, you can do that. So, who is the most emotional among you all?
All.
Right. Who is scared of ghosts?
No.
Everybody.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And because of the balloon burst.
Okay. So, who is most likely to end up in a fight? Who is the ladaku among you all? Nobody. Okay. That's really nice. That's a nice thing, I think.
You actually, the team is like, that's why
Yeah.
it's steady
Right.
and firm.
No, even I meant with clients and all, sometimes, you get into a tiff to who is the first person who gets very impulsive. Yeah, I can be like that sometimes. So that's why. So who is the most likely to get upset for the most stupid reasons?
I mean,
she
Right.
gets
I text a lot.
Like, yeah, she's too worried all the time.
We are little cool. It's
Yeah.
okay. It has it. It'll happen. It'll happen.
She pushes us to do fast.
No, actually, I should say I always push them.
Yeah, she pushes us to do
Okay.
everything.
that is
Okay.
Who
Who is
us do and everything in the end, but she pushes us to do it.
right? You need somebody like that also, actually.
Yeah,
One person
yes.
has to be like that, right? So, who is the most caring among you all?
It's all of us.
All of you. You take care of each other, right? So sweet. That's how it should be, actually. When you're a team, you have to look out for each other and have each other's back. Who is most likely to talk to a client first? Who makes the first move in business?
Alicia.
Yeah.
Okay. Superb. So, who is most likely to forget where they parked their car or vehicle, or where they kept their bags?
even forget the name
Really?
also. Because all other days and then she call like that.
Okay. So, who is most likely to wear mismatched shoes as a fashion statement? Who is the most has the weird fashion style?
Nobody.
Okay. I think Nishrin, I've seen some very nice style statements from you. Bold. I think I like the look that you usually carry. So I think you must, I would call you the most stylish from what I know. So anyway, who is the most likely to spend the most on food?
Food.
food, like,
Right,
who is like, who
uh,
doesn't see the price of when you
yeah.
are, when you are buying food, like, like, yeah, fine, say, let's just spend.
Actually, we all are like that.
Okay, all of you
We
are
love
foodies.
it.
That's a good deal, right? So
Yeah.
thank you so much. I hope you all had fun in the interview. So I
Thank
would,
you very much. Thank you.
It's an
right.
honor to be a part of Bora Women Entrepreneurs.
Thank you. And I would like to just announce the collaborations that we are teaming up with. So this is for our viewers. Bora Women Entrepreneurs and Tazeen Events are coming up with some very wonderful collaborations and giveaways. So the first one is for entrepreneurs who are having stalls over there, as well as who are attending the event. You can click a selfie with your stall or your business logo or your product and upload it on Instagram as a post or a story with the caption, "I am a proud Bora woman entrepreneur." Either you can type the caption in your picture or you can hold a placard which says that same. And after uploading, you have to tag 5 other Bora women entrepreneurs and nominate them to do the same. And don't forget to follow Bora Women Entrepreneurs and Tazeen Events on Instagram. And also tag us in your story and post which you will be uploading. And the lucky winner will get ₹1,000 gift hamper from Bath Concepts. And winners will be chosen through random. This is the first contest and that we are having. The second one is if you are participating in the Tazeen Events as a stall, then we have a surprise for you. 3 lucky winners will be chosen and will be featured on Bora Women Entrepreneurs platform through a video interview where you can share your personal story and the challenges that you have overcome in your journey. So this video will also be uploaded. The video interview will be uploaded on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. So this will be like a documentation for you for years to come. And thank you. Do subscribe to all our events. Do subscribe to Tazeen Events and our channels. You can join the Bora Women Entrepreneurs group on Facebook and on Instagram, and the YouTube link will be up soon. And spread a word of, a good word for all of us who are looking to make our small mark in world of entrepreneurship. Thank you so much. And thank you
Thank
for
you.
your time. Yeah, it was wonderful to have you. Wish you all the best again for